Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Lumen5 for branded video ads, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Lumen5 website at www.lumen5.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be presented with options to sign up using your email, Facebook, or Google account. Choose the method that best suits you. If you select the email option, enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure to read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Once registered, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. After verification, return to the Lumen5 homepage and log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the Lumen5 dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, where you can start creating videos. Click on the Create Video button to begin a new project. You can choose from a variety of templates tailored for branded video ads. Select a template that aligns with your brand's message and style. Next, you can upload your own media or browse the Lumen5 library for stock images and videos. Drag and drop your selected media into the storyboard. Customize the text elements by double-clicking on them to edit. Make sure to incorporate your brand's colors and fonts for consistency. Preview your video to ensure it meets your expectations. If you're satisfied with the video, click on the Publish button. Choose your desired video resolution and format for download. Once the video is rendered, you will receive a download link. Click on the link to save your branded video ad to your device. Now, you're ready to share your video across various platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.